In this video, we're going to go over how I constructed my roof. First with the plastic that overlapped, that's fire retardant. Then I go to a 1/2 inch marine plywood that I had available. Wasn't too worried about the shape of it because it was going to be covered up. I also had metal bent so that I could have a nice drip edge, and you'll see that in the siding video. Again, I was trying to make a nice overlap so I couldn't get water straight down in it. I ended up having enough siding left over, so I was able to do the roof also, which turned out really good, but that's just the first layer. So this is just testing the fan, getting ready to install it, make sure everything works. This is cut in, setting on the roof. Just a look at fitting up of the Unistrut rack. Again, this is just another placement thing. Then I started looking at how to place the solar panels. Again, this is my roof rack. It's aluminum Unistrut with stainless steel hardware, all available, at more than one place. Again, just looking at how I was going to set up everything before I put my Unistrut down to hold my panels on the roof. Just getting everything nice and clean, getting ready to put down my shallow strut where my solar panels are going to go, and get ready to install the elastic membrane primer. So I got everything nice and clean, everything's where I want it. So then I went ahead and poured the elastic primer. I let this dry for at least a week because it's about 1/4 inch thick. So I wanted to make sure that it was nice and dry all the way through. Taped off my Unistrut so I didn't get anything down in there. This was more just a, help reflection for heat. And it, gives it a little bit of just if there are any pinholes, I was able to seal them with this membrane. Then I started on my rack, and this is my roller system. Again, it's a rubber-coated aluminum piping. Started to install my Renogy solar panels. So this is just kind of the configuration that I came up with that seemed to work best for the placement on the roof and be able to get to the front where the batteries are being held. This is another look at the side just of my Unistrut. The 45s are really just for tie-off spots and to give it a little bit of a different look. This is just some more angles of the rack. The blue tape was just to paint the aluminum trim, and we'll see you at the next video.